All right, you see the title and the thumbnail, and you already know it's an excellent day when you see pasta on the menu here at AWE. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this Rasta pasta with jerk chicken. Man, you gonna love it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a rundown of our ingredients. Back here, we have some boneless chicken breasts right here. You can also use chicken thighs, toes up to you. I cut them in bite-sized pieces like this. We have some penne pasta here, chicken broth, whipping cream here, a green bell pepper, red bell pepper. We got a habanero pepper here, some Walker Woods jerk seasoning, smoked paprika, freshly chopped garlic, some jerk seasoning, salt, olive oil. Got some cooking wine here, chopped onions, and thyme sprigs right there. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is season our chicken with our Walker Woods jerk seasoning. It doesn't get better than Walker Woods jerk seasoning when you're talking about retail jerk seasoning. And we're gonna go in with our hands and get that baby mixed all up. This is the closest you're gonna get to authentic jerk seasoning, messing with that Walker Woods. All right, just like that, we're gonna sit this aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna head over to our stove to our boiling water so we can prepare our pasta. We already have our water up to boil. I already salted it, and we're just gonna add our penne pasta here. And we're gonna cook that for about 6 to 8 minutes until al dente. So now we're gonna heat up some olive oil. Once that pan heats up, we're gonna add our chicken. And you may have to cook these in batches just so you don't overcrowd the pan. And we're gonna sear these babies for about 5 to 6 minutes per side until they're fully cooked. So we're finishing up our first batch. We're gonna go ahead and get those babies removed. I'm gonna sit them over here in a bowl. I also pulled our pasta off the fire. It's good to go. It's just sitting over there waiting for us. We're gonna go in with more chicken. All right, so now we're finishing up our last batch. We're gonna get these babies out of here. All right, before we keep going, I want to share something with you guys that you've been asking me for, and it's Still Not a Chef, my highly anticipated cookbook that's finally up for pre-order. Yep, no complicated steps, no chef rules, just food that makes sense in real life. So if this sounds like your vibe, grab your copy at the link in the video description. Listen, that smells so good. We're gonna heat up some butter. I didn't have that in the shot, but make sure you add you some butter. I just decided to add this at the last minute. We're gonna go in with our onions, and we're gonna saute these for about 2 minutes. All right, so after that 2 minutes, we're gonna go in with our garlic, our green peppers, our red peppers, and our habanero pepper. And we're gonna cook this for the next 4 minutes. Let those veggies soften and those flavors come together. After that 4 to 5 minutes, we're gonna pour in our chicken broth, our cream, and we're gonna bring this to a slight simmer. We're gonna add in our smoked paprika, our salt, and our jerk seasoning. Once it comes to that slight simmer, we're gonna go in with our Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna let this thicken up slightly as the cheese melts. We're gonna add our cooking wine now and our chicken. We're gonna get this mixed in here like this, and we're gonna let this simmer for the next 15 to 18 minutes. And let's not forget our thyme sprigs. All right, so after that 15 to 18 minutes, as you can see, the mixture has reduced and it also has thickened up. We're gonna go in with our pasta and we're gonna get our pasta heavily coated. Probably can move our time. All right, so it looks like we are good right there. We're gonna turn our heat off. And typically what I like to do is I like to let my pasta sit just for maybe about 5 minutes to let that pasta soak up the sauce and thicken a little bit more. Once we do that, we're gonna get that baby plated up and we're gonna jump right into quality control. All right, after about that 5 minutes, you already know we're gonna drop in a little of that green stuff. You know, we only put this on because it makes us look official. And there you have it, guys. Rasta pasta with jerk chicken. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Listen, let's jump into quality control. Let's forget the talk. This looks delicious. All right, it's quality control time. Let's put these, or bring them to the front of the congregation. Oh man, look at that. That's congregational. All right. Ooh. The sauce is fire. I ain't have no chicken on that one. Oh man, the sauce with that jerk flavor. Oh man, God. Can't go wrong. Guys, I'm bringing this back up to the front of the congregation. Ooh, look at that. Look at my, hey, Leia over there. Come here, Leia. Come here, man. She over there looking at me right now. Get your fork, man. Try this out right quick. Let's see what Leia say about this. Oh, man. She always be on the sideline waiting for me to finish.
That one's good.
But that, you had some chicken on it too? Get your piece of that chicken. I'm a jerk chicken guy. I love me some jerk chicken. Of course, has a little heat to it, but that's what jerk is about. So, guys, you definitely need to add this. Move it up to the top of your list in pastas, because I know you got categories for AWE, but move it up to the top of your list in pastas. So, oh, before I go, you like it?
Yeah, that's
Well,
good.
yeah.
That's very good.
She waiting to get her own plate, guys. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, we not chefs,
We just cook a lot.
and we are out.
Peace.
Peace.